this footage is anywhere half as good as the ride was, it's going to be an excellent series. Morning guys, it's Andy from Motos, Canes and Coffee. I'm going to start my day off with something good to eat before I go ride the 2022 Royal Enfield Himalayan. Gonna head to the Swing In Cafe, a cafe I took my girls when they were little to, in Old Town Temecula. Temecula early in the morning. Hills in the background, Old Town shops, a western feel to it. Come weekends or summer, there's a lot of hot rod shows. You know, something just perfect about El Camino in Temecula. Just makes sense. There's a Swing In, a little different than last time I was there. All right, I'm starting my day off with a little breakfast at the Swing In Cafe. And it was my girl's favorite restaurant when we were stationed here in the Marine Corps. And getting some eggs Benedict. So I'm at Moto Winery. I got here a little early, but I saw everyone was out for a ride already. So what I'm gonna do is try and get a little footage of the bikes, maybe a little aerial footage from my drone, and we'll see what we can do. Like I said, everyone kind of rolled out early. That's okay. Johnny Lewis and I are gonna go ride. So, not everyone is gonna say that. So Johnny Lewis and I will go ride. I'm gonna take this black Himalayan. I got my GoPro pull up, Hero mod. See how that goes. Again, here's some of the different colors. This one's been pretty popular. All right, got the GoPro Hero mount mounted to the Himalayan. We'll see how it works. We'll see. All right, we're about to head on out. Goodbye, goodbye. Thank you. We'll meet with, we're gonna be riding with Johnny Lewis and a few ladies, and we're gonna head on out. So, let's do this. Alright, here we are on the 2022 Himalayan. Beautiful Temecula day. Wow, it's beautiful out. We're gonna turn around. Alright. Alright, here we go. Go. Yeah, this is kind of fun. Yeah. Here we go. Now we're on some dirt. Just tractor up the thing. Come on. Easy, easy. Yeah. Easy peasy. All right, here we go. All right, cool. Wow, this is pretty awesome. The Himalayan seems ideally suited for this. All right, here we go. Let it tractor up. Whoa! Woo! Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Right. Pretty awesome, right? You guys having fun? Yeah. Cool. Oh yeah, here we go. We are flying you by. Well guys, I'm done for my ride for today. It was a pretty awesome adventure out here. I got one more day in California. I'm gonna hang around and visit my brother. Huge thanks to Royal Enfield North America, Brianne Pullen. She put this all together and did a fantastic job. So again, please like and subscribe. We can continue to bring more stuff like this to you. Enjoy your Himalayan, or enjoy whatever you ride. We'll catch you on the next episode. I got water if anyone needs.
Great. I get your cooties too.
Yeah, you do.